To clone apps on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, let's open settings on our device. Now, there's two ways to clone apps. First thing, if it will satisfy you, you can go to advanced features and then enter the dual messenger and activate a dual messenger app for example, WhatsApp, and then clone it. That way we'll have two different WhatsApps. If you have other messenger apps, then you'll be able to clone them as well. The other way to do it is through secure folder, and it's a bit weird way, but it works. You will have two different apps, but for some of them it might not work. They won't open there. So to do that, first you will need to perform setup for secure folder. Here in the main settings page, find security and privacy, and go into more security settings right here, and then select secure folder. Now, if you do it for the first time, it will ask you for a setup. I've made dedicated video on how to perform setup for secure folder, so you can check it out on this channel. When the secure folder is ready, open your secure folder. Then add any app that you like with this plus button. And from here, those apps that you add will be different than the ones that you open in your system. So here's the Google Photos app that I've opened from secure folder. And now we're gonna try to open Google Photos from the system. So as you can see, this is different app than the one that I had. There's different photos and even account logged in. And here we don't have account, and there's again different photos. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.